Good morning, students. Today we are going to see past tense. As we all know, there are four types of past tense: simple past or past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. So let's begin with simple past or past indefinite. So here we will see simple past affirmative, and the structure is subject plus V2 plus object. For example, he went to Mumbai yesterday. She came to see me last night. The building was built in 1999. I brought some chocolates on Sunday last. Here, an important note is given. V2 is used only with the simple past affirmative. Got it? V2 का यूज़ देर आर 12 टेंसेज, लेकिन V2 का यूज़ हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ सिंपल पास्ट के अफर्मेटिव में ही करते हैं. V2 का यूज़ और कहीं नहीं होता. ओके, मीन्स इन द सेंटेंस इफ V2 इज गिवन मीन्स द सेंटेंस इज सिंपल पास्ट अफर्मेटिव. ओके, next is simple past negative. Structure is subject plus did. Okay, subject plus did plus not plus V1 plus object. सिंपल प्रेजेंट निगेटिव का स्ट्रक्चर था हमारा सब्जेक्ट प्लस डू ऑब्लिक डज प्लस नॉट प्लस V1 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट, और सिंपल पास्ट निगेटिव का स्ट्रक्चर है सब्जेक्ट प्लस डिड प्लस नॉट प्लस V1 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. यानी पास्ट जहाँ पे है वहाँ पे हम डिड का यूज़ करेंगे. एंड वी ऑल नो वेरी वेल दैट वी ऑलवेज यूज V1 विथ डू, डिड एंड does. Okay, examples are he did not go to Mumbai yesterday, she did not give me her book, the peon did not bring a cup of tea, his father did not come back. Next is simple past interrogative. Okay, structure is did plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. Did he go to Mumbai yesterday? Did she give me her book? Did the peon bring a cup of tea? Did his father come back once again? Did जो helping verb है उसको सबसे पहले place करेंगे, after that subject, then V1 plus object plus question mark. That is compulsory because the sentence is interrogative. Okay, next is the fourth type of simple past tense is simple past negative interrogative. Structure is didn't. Okay, did not, short form of did not is didn't. Didn't plus subject plus V1 plus object plus question mark. Examples are didn't he go to Mumbai yesterday? Didn't she give me her book? Didn't the peon bring a cup of tea? Didn't his father come back? Next type of past tense is past continuous tense. And first we will see past continuous affirmative. The structure is subject plus was oblique were. Here was oblique, there will be subject plus was oblique were plus V4 plus object. And the examples are I was writing this book yesterday, they were reading a notice, my mother was cooking in the kitchen. If the subject is singular then we will use was, and if the subject is plural then we will use were. Next is, as we all know, V1 plus ing is equal to V4. Next is past continuous negative. Structure is subject plus was oblique were plus not plus V4 plus object. Examples are children were not playing, they were not going to the party, my mother was not cooking in the kitchen, the maid was not washing the utensils. Here we will see we always place not just after helping verb to make sentence into negative or negative interrogative. ठीक है, सेंटेंस को निगेटिव या निगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव बनाने के लिए हम नॉट का यूज़ जो है वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब के तुरंत बाद करते हैं, कहीं भी हॉट नहीं लगा, नॉट नहीं लगा देते. मीन्स यू कांट राइट लाइक दिस चिल्ड्रेन नॉट वर प्लेइंग. नो, हेल्पिंग वर्ब, व्हाट इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब हियर? वर. तो फिर नॉट हमारा हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद लगेगा. चिल्ड्रेन वर नॉट प्लेइंग, दे वर नॉट गोइंग, माई मदर वॉज नॉट कुकिंग, द मेड वॉज नॉट वॉशिंग. कहीं भी किसी भी टेंस में not is placed just after helping verb either in negative or negative interrogative. Next is past continuous interrogative. Structure is was oblique verb plus subject plus V4 plus object plus question mark. That is compulsory. Generally students forget to put question mark is negative and negative interrogative. लेकिन question जहाँ पे किया गया तो वहाँ पे question mark ज़रूर होगा. That is compulsory. Examples are were children playing, were they going to the party, was my mother cooking in the kitchen, Was the maid washing the utensils? Here the important point is written. We always place helping verb in the beginning of the sentence to make it into interrogative. कभी भी जब भी हमें सेंटेंस को इंटरोगेटिव बनाना हो तो हम क्या करेंगे कि हेल्पिंग वर्ब को पहले लगा देंगे, हमारा सेंटेंस जो है वो इंटरोगेटिव में तैयार हो जाएगा. Next is past continuous negative interrogative. Structure is wasn't oblique weren't plus subject plus V4 plus object plus question mark. Or you can write like this also, was oblique were plus not plus subject plus V4 plus object. Examples are यहाँ पे हमने पहले ही शॉर्टकट में हमने लिख दिया है. Examples are weren't children playing, weren't they going to the party, wasn't my mother cooking in the kitchen, wasn't the maid washing the utensils. Okay. Next type of past tense is past perfect tense. Okay, and the structure is past perfect. At first we will see past perfect affirmative. The structure of affirmative is subject plus had plus V3 plus object. So easy. Either subject is singular or plural, we will use had. Subject singular हो या plural हो, यहाँ पे has have का नहीं है कुछ भी, यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ had लगाएंगे. Okay, because only one helping verb is given here for past perfect affirmative. Examples are the crops had destroyed, the bell had rung, she had left her office, they had completed their work. यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं the subject is plural then also had, subject is singular then also had. ये subject is singular then also had, ये subject is plural then also had. Means had का use हम singular plural दोनों के साथ करते हैं. बस ये has have की जगह पे वहाँ पे हमको clear करना होता है that has is used with singular and have is used with IU and plural. Next is you can see has, have और had के साथ हमेशा V3 का use. We always use V3 with has, have और had, and we always use V4 with has been, have been and had been. Next is past perfect negative. And the structure is subject plus had plus not plus V3 plus object. So easy. The crops had not destroyed, the bell had not rung, she had not left her office, they had not completed their work. Simple. We have to use we have to place not just after helping verb and the sentence is ready. The structure is ready to make negative. And the next one is past perfect interrogative. Structure is had plus subject plus V3 plus object plus question mark. Had the crops destroyed, had the bell rung, had she left her office, had they completed their work. Okay. Next is past perfect negative interrogative. Structure is hadn't plus subject plus V3 plus object plus question mark. Examples are so easy. Hadn't the crops destroyed, कुछ नहीं करना, बस helping verb के साथ not लगा देना है और उसका short form use करना है. I have told you in your last classes also that we always use short forms in negative interrogative. Negative interrogative में हमेशा हम short form use करेंगे. Short form of had not is hadn't, तो फिर यहाँ पे hadn't होगा. Examples are hadn't the crops destroyed, hadn't the bell rung, hadn't she left her office, hadn't they completed their work. Now fourth type of past tense is past perfect continuous tense, and the structure is first one past perfect continuous affirmative, subject plus had been plus V4 plus object plus 4 oblique since plus time. Once again had been is used with we use V4 with had been. ठीक है, जहाँ पे had been, has been, have been होगा तो V4 का यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, सो once again subject plus had been plus V4 plus object plus 4 oblique since plus time. And the examples are his elder sister had been dancing for 2 hours. I had been reading a novel since 2008. She had been singing a song. My younger brother had been quarreling. Second one is past perfect continuous negative. Past perfect continuous negative. Nothing we have to do here. Only we have to use not just after helping verb. She plus had plus not plus been plus V4 plus object plus 4 oblique since plus time. सारी चीज़ें वही हैं, सबका सब वही है. Only we have to place not. सिर्फ not लगाना है helping verb के बगल में. And the examples are also ready here. His elder sister had not been dancing for 2 hours. I had not been reading a novel since 2008. She had not been singing a song. My younger brother had not been quarreling.